So here we're going to learn again about the Book of Enoch. And again, if you don't trust the Holy Spirit, you're not going to trust what he's telling you to read. But if you do, this will be very edifying. So we see that Enoch was the seventh from Adam, and we know seven is a very holy number. He lived 365 years, which is what we see as 1 year with 365 days. Enoch was the first person raptured. That should tell you enough about whose testimony is for us, who will also be raptured. Enoch had faith in God and he didn't see death. If he had faith in God, we know that's a good sign too, like the Old Testament prophets. Enoch's first son's name was Methuselah, which means at his death it will sin, meaning that he prophesied the flood. Enoch had a testimony quoted by the Old Testament and the New Testament. So we see the Holy Spirit is not going to lead us astray and lie to us. So either the Holy Spirit tells the truth and you believe what the Holy Spirit said, or the Holy Spirit's a liar, and what he quoted as Enoch saying is lie. You can't have both. And he was also, we see the book Enoch was found in Ethiopia and in the Dead Sea Scrolls, proving that the book of Enoch is true.